we're talking all about rugs, how to pick and position the rug for your space. I really like to see about 1.5 feet of edging around the rug. That means that if you have a massive room and you have about 10 feet on either side of your teeny tiny rug, your rug is in fact too teeny tiny. So the biggest tip that we have here is to ensure that the rug is the correct size. One of the easiest ways to figure out size is by planning for it. So tape it out with painter's tape. Heck, you could even use books or tape measures, but you really want to line the entire room around your furniture and make sure that the rug is not too big nor too small. Although most of you are buying rugs that are too small. Get a rug that you can afford. There's nothing worse than overspending on the rug, splurging to find out that your dogs are going to eat the corners or your kids are going to track through mud. The rug may not be forever if you're in a place of life like I am. In a perfect world, the rug is big enough for all of the furniture to sit on it, but if that's not possible or it's not in the budget, all of the front legs of the furniture need to be placed on the rug, except for in the bedroom. In the bedroom, 3/4 of the bed needs to be placed on the rug. Let's talk color now. Oh, goodness gracious. When you are looking for rugs, there are thousands of them out there. My rule of thumb is that if there's some patterned wallpaper or a patterned sofa in the room, neutralize the space with the rug. And likewise, the opposite is true. So if everything's really, really neutral in the room, this may be the place where you want to do a pop of color or a minimalistic pattern, something to break everything up. There you go. Enjoy. Go buy those rugs now. I want to thank The Brick for sponsoring these videos and to all of you for watching. And as a token of our appreciation, we would like to give you, just $10,000 shopping spree for the room of your choice. Whoa, is that correct? Is that correct? Holy $10,000! Oh my gosh, and I will personally help you spend that. Like, it's a deal. Shake on it. Here's how to enter. Follow at All Things Kortney Wilson and at Brick Warehouse on Instagram. Post a photo or video to your Instagram with the room you want to redecorate. Use the hashtag Kortney's in the house in your post. Tag both at All Things Kortney Wilson and at Brick Warehouse in your post, and make sure your profile is public to be entered. We gotta see it. Must be a resident of Canada to enter. Okay, go do it now.